Ever wondered how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC? In this full guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating and uploading YouTube Shorts directly from your computer, so you can easily share short-form content with your audience. YouTube Shorts is a feature designed for creating quick, vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less. While Shorts are typically designed for mobile devices, you can still upload them from your PC. To do this, you'll need to create your video content first, ensuring it fits within the 60-second limit and follows the 9:16 vertical format. Start by creating your video using your preferred editing software. You can use programs like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free options like DaVinci Resolve to edit your video. Once the video is ready, ensure that it meets the vertical format requirement and is no longer than 60 seconds. You can create engaging shorts by focusing on trends, tutorials, or highlights that grab attention quickly. Once you have your short video edited and ready, open the YouTube website on your browser and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, click on the upload icon located at the top right corner of the screen, next to your profile image. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Video to open the YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, click the Select Files button to choose the video file you want to upload. Find your YouTube short in your computer files and click Open. The upload process will begin immediately. While the video uploads, you'll be prompted to add important details like a title, description, and tags. For your video to be categorized as a short, it must be 60 seconds or less and in a 9:16 aspect ratio. You don't need to add hashtag shorts in the title for it to be recognized. YouTube automatically detects videos with these specifications and categorizes them as shorts. As the video uploads, you'll need to set your preferences for things like visibility public, private, or unlisted, whether the video is made for kids, and whether you want to enable monetization if eligible. After completing these steps, click Next to proceed to the next section. You won't need to upload a custom thumbnail, as YouTube Shorts are automatically displayed with a frame from the video itself. Once everything is set, click Publish to upload your short to YouTube. Your video will be available for viewing by anyone, and you can share the link on social media or through other platforms to increase visibility. In conclusion, uploading YouTube Shorts from your PC is a straightforward process once you have your video ready. By following these simple steps, you can easily upload short, engaging videos to YouTube and reach a wide audience. Just ensure that your video is less than 60 seconds and in 9:16 format, and YouTube will automatically categorize it as a short.